Excuse me? You will start. The fuck? Gas is on. Bikes are not made to go reverse. Alright, so it's been a while. I was gonna try to upload a video every day, but it's not gonna work out between work and what happened with my bike. I'll actually go with that here in a second. But before I start, I am obviously part of the MotoAmino marketing team, and I would like to mention them for featuring me on their posts. And here soon I'll be making business cards for them. Well, it's like a group of us, we have to pay for our own stuff. So hopefully start passing them out. It'll also have my YouTube on it, so almost like a waterific thing. But yeah, MotoAmino is just a nice community full of motorcyclists. No one's discriminated. Of course, you know, there's every area that has their own little, I guess, clique. Like, public chat rooms or sport bikes, splits, whatever you want to call them. Harley dudes, you name it. We have it all. Now that that's out of the way, my bike, there was supposed to be a video out like a day ago. Let me tell you what happened. I was on my way home from work, and out of nowhere it just lost half my power, and then it just slowly started to bog down. I tried to give it gas, and it just took, like, you could tell it was bogging. And I don't know what happened. It sounded like a bike that has not been started in over 40 years easily. It was just bogging. So I'm driving, yeah, right here. So I break down about where that car coming at me is, and I realize I have power loss. So I shift down and I let out the clutch, and nothing. So I'm like, great, the bike died at that point. So the initial thought was, okay, ran out of gas. Nope. Checked my gas, I was half tank. So now this isn't fuel injected, it's an 82. It's carbureted. So I sat a while, you know, turned on reserve, turned back on the normal, and see if, you know, maybe the gas would go through, and it did. It started up. I managed to get them all down the road to the local gas station, and it broke down there again. So at that point, I did not know what to do. I think I was recording. If I did, here is that footage. Now it was at night, so it's probably dark to see. Probably the only thing you can actually see is the lights on my plate. But I went to the gas station, I pedal paddled. nobody helped me, first of all. I'd like to say that. Great area. Motorcyclists broke down on the side of the road. Nobody helped. I pushed it about a mile, and I sat at the gas station for about, I would say I sat on that gas station for about a good hour. I have a bridge I go over, and it stopped driving at that top of the bridge. I was so thankful that it stopped there, and that it didn't stop going up the hill or just before the hill, because it's a pretty tall, you know, it's a pretty steep one to push a 200-300 pound bike up. Now if it was my V-Star, I would have left it and got it too, because I'm not about to push, you know, nearly 800 pounds up a hill by myself. So yeah, I just coast down. I just coast down into where I live. Sat there, oh, I should probably just push it, and started back up. So I took it home. I take out the carburetor, and I'm looking at the gas filter. This tank, my stepdad found rust in the, I want to say, fuel filter in the pilot. So when the gas is going through, I feel like it probably got into the carburetor somehow, and it clogged it up, making it, you know, seize all the gas in the end. Because with this engine, there's no air issues, because it's, well, the only way you can get air issues through the carburetor if it's not getting enough in there. So we found rust in there, we cleaned it up, it started running, and now we're here. We're driving happily. So far it's back to normal. I would still like to get the bike. Well, I just found out I came to work with 2 gloves. I'm leaving with 1. I have no clue what happened, honestly. Well, I was gonna put on the 2nd glove, but now I'm Michael Jackson. That actually pisses me off. Fuck, man. And my gloves aren't that cheap. They're the SMX, the Allplane Star. Stay in here. Man. I checked in and out of my store. Not even to mention my mic fell off. So I don't even know. Audio's angle's probably wait, no, not under there, not under there. Damn it, man.